What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another reaction video. Hey, it's your boy XFGLive, aka XFLACKOGOD. You know what I'm saying? We back. This video we reacted to is iRace Agent and Quan Supercars with my new Porsche.
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy.
See, hey, let's get straight into it, chat. Let's go.
Man, hey, in today's video, I'm gonna be racing the fastest cars in Atlanta.
Say word. Woo! Oh my god. Y'all see these cars, chat?
I'm leaving right now. I'm moving right now. Oh, he's catching. He's catching. See, if y'all didn't know, I got a brand new Porsche a few weeks ago.
Since when did this motherfucker get a Porsche, chat? What the fuck? When? That shit looks sexy. I ain't gonna lie.
I've been enjoying it, but if I'm being honest with y'all, I'm not a speeder, so I've never really got a chance to push it to the limit. And I need to know how my car can get down with the best of the best. So I brought the brand new Taycan to the track. I'm gonna race some of the fastest cars in Atlanta, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I had to figure out how my car would test up versus the fastest cars in Atlanta. And ladies and gentlemen, we got...
Yo, what kind of dog is that in the background?
Some hitter shit. Please call us the word, man. How you doing, bro? Hey, man, I appreciate you coming.
Big ass helmet, chat. What the fuck? Hey, nah, fuck it though. You know what I'm saying? Safety first. You know what I'm saying, chat? They about to be in some fast shit. But nah, that's crazy. He about to test his Porsche against, bruh. Let's see what the fuck this motherfucker Quan pull out, cause you know he got like 3, 4, 5 cars, chat.
I'm out here,
he got
man.
the Trackhawk.
Got the 720.
He got the Hellcat.
Is this a?
He got the McLaren.
Is that a Hellcat?
V6.
V6.
Bruh.
V6.
Supercharger, you know what I'm saying?
He said
I'm gonna be
V6.
going against
I'm weak.
Quan's McLaren 720S and his
What engine y'all
Hellcat
think is in the chat?
V6. That's what he says. He's gonna be going against the new Porsche.
Yo, if anybody pull up with some shit like that and they say it's a V6 in it, bro, they just trying to get your money, bro. They just trying to beat you in a race. I'm keeping it 150,000 out, chat. They just trying to beat you in a race.
In this Model X I got a few years ago. There'll be 6 races total. 4
He's
with
racing
our
in
main
the Model
cars and
X?
2 with our secondary cars. The winner faces this man, Agent, with the fastest car in the world.
Uh-oh, that's the man with the Ferrari, chat. I heard of him. Now we all heard of him. You feel me? Nah, facts. It's a V8 in that bitch. I think it's a V8 in that bitch.
Don't tell nobody.
I ain't gonna tell nobody.
I don't feel like no man should be driving around a battery like an electric car.
So you think I gotta get some shit like that with an engine?
Yeah, I think you need something with an engine. I mean, it's fast as fuck.
You have a McLaren, bro. Come on, like show the, like look at it. Come on, bro. Why is he acting? Yo, he's saying this. He's trying to lower the expectations so it's not.
That's a whole
watch, when he go off the line, you'll be like, oh, I don't know how that happened. I know how to do it.
Yo, what's poppin', y'all? Quan here. I got my 1,000+ horsepower Hellcat. Right?
God damn!
Personally think I got it in the bag. Of course, I got confidence in myself.
Motherfucker got a pink supercharger, bruh.
I'm the only man out here with an engine, bro. He pulled up with batteries, twin. I don't know. I got confidence
batteries.
in
He got a
myself.
supercharger.
You know what I'm saying? Upper, lower pulley.
It's a fire ass car, chat.
Full bolt-on. Cool,
I give that a 12 out of 10.
But I feel like I got it.
Hey, let me whip this.
Huh?
Let me whip this.
Let's do it. He gonna want to buy one. Hey, should Davis get a Hellcat? Drop in the comments down below. Let us know. So next up,
He should get a Hellcat.
I got 2 cars out here. I did indeed bring my 720S McLaren. Once I find my key,
What engine y'all think is in the
engine
McLaren?
right here.
We about to see right now.
I actually don't have it's not electric. Though. The engine back here. It's a 3.8 liter, 4.0 liter twin turbo V8.
Okay, it's a V8. Okay.
Yeah, man.
Y'all know about
Nice
this guy
charger.
because
Facts.
you know he lives in my house. Double O.
Agent double low. Let's
Yo,
go.
How you doing?
The man, the myth, the legend.
Okay, I got it. This the only. This is not. I told you to bring 2 cars. Why you bring one?
Baby right here.
Why'd you bring 1 car?
Hey, this is my front, man. It's my first time opening it. I'm gonna put it in my mouth if that's cool with you.
Cool. All right, let me take y'all under the hood. Y'all know we put a lot of work in this. Let me show you under the hood. All right, look. So under the hood we got the
No engine.
charging cable. Yeah, it's deep. There's a lot of work in here. And yeah, come on.
What's that?
This right here is the.
He don't even know what that is.
Before.
He don't even know what that is, chat.
When you hypercharge that, it helps the acceleration
To clean the windshield.
to clean the windshield.
What?
You know this.
Ah, shit,
It's
let's go.
ridiculous, though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm fake scared a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not finna let
Which
you
car y'all
gaslight
think
the
gonna win?
viewers. and make it seem like I'm finna run off with this, bro.
Oh, man.
I'm not finna let you come on, bro.
And it's turbo. Yeah, word.
You think so? I don't think you know. Okay. We're gonna run the first race off the jump, second race rolling. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
How do I know when to go? I can barely hear it. This is so tight. Oh my God, I feel nervous now. I'm so nervous, Chad. This is my first ever race.
You good?
Yeah, it's about to be clips for him.
Oh yeah, I'm nervous than a bitch. What the fuck am I doing? This is a random side quest, bro.
Motherfucker doing NPC side quests right now. That shit crazy.
Like this. I used to think that was the rev, like. That shit is not the rev.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yo, that Tesla pulling. Nah, it's not even a Tesla. My fault, Chad. It's the Porsche.
Oh, he's catching.
I be forgetting that he got both of them motherfuckers. Oh, he catching up.
He's catching.
Yo, that Porsche fast as fuck. But they put in that motherfucker crack?
Okay.
Golly. Nah.
When you started to catch up like halfway through, it's starting to
Yo, he
look
just
crazy.
beat Quan.
Hey, now I know y'all are enjoying this race, man, but let's take a quick moment to thank today's sponsor, because it wouldn't be possible without them.
He just beat Quan, Chad. What the fuck? Chad, he just beat Quan. Holy shit. What the fuck? Wait.
5 more races left, and the winner of all of those faces this man in the finals.
I hope you're getting ready, because hey, you know what's going on? Mm-hmm. Yes, I won.
Yo, that's crazy how he dead won. I don't even know how he won. Come on.
Hey, get ready. He's coming soon. He's coming real soon. You said this one's just another drag.
All right, that's cool.
Go!
Okay.
Oh my God. Oh no, I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm dashing. Oh, he's coming. Oh my God. Look at him. Yo, I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, nah.
Hey, pick up. Let me talk to him. Hey.
Yeah.
Yo, that pickup was nuts. Yo, he was coming, bro.
He came up fast on your ass.
If you had a little bit more time,
I think I would have had it.
yeah. Hey, let's do rolling.
Let's do it.
For those of you at home who don't know what rolling is, basically it's we creep up 15 miles per hour to the line and then go full speed. It basically is the opportunity to see which car is faster after already moving.
Hey, on your third honk, just start rolling, and then when we get to the thing, go.
I better do it.
2, 1, go!
Oh! It was in reverse!
He's in reverse? You went in reverse.
Go!
I'm cooked. Oh my God! I'm cooked!
Damn. Yeah, he cooked him with that one.
I was waiting on him to go, too.
Yo! I
Nah,
can't
word,
even
but he in the
front.
porch right
They
now.
don't get a right black person some money.
Golly.
Go!
Okay, Chad, the next round.
I'm at 15.
Let's go. Come on, Davis. You got this.
No. I think I did it too early.
Nah, you Gucci. Ah, he's cooked. Fuck.
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy.
No, hell no. That don't make no sense. The pickup is crazy. The pickup is crazy on it.
Pickup is
Good race, bro.
insane.
All right, let's get the our second cars out now. Ooh wee, 2-2. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I promise y'all, if it's the last thing I do, I need to make it to that finale to go against.
Nah, he gotta make it to that shit. Round 5.
So
Let's
it
go,
is
let's
now
go.
2-2. I'm very excited. Now we going to our secondary cars. Like I said, my
He
secondary
got 2
cars not the
W's.
best, but it's not. It's over.
He got 2 W's. Quan got 2 W's, Chad. Let's see how this shit go. Oh, he about to hop out in the Hellcat.
I gotta make it to the finale. Go against Agent. It's up. Let's run it.
All right, y'all. Time for the Hellcat,
shit.
Red Eye.
Woo!
Being geeked up, but I'm gonna be scared. But we're going to get some.
See that
Teslas I can't
Hellcat?
see.
Yeah, that
I
Tesla
think I
about to
got
be
it, bro. Let's do
crazy.
it.
Now he's about to pull out the Tesla.
Yo, this is a really fun job. I know you guys are gonna call it
Okay.
dirty, but please remember, this car hasn't been driven in a while. It was in the shop. It just got the shop, so it has not been driven in a long time. So it is very dirty. Please do not criticize me too much. But
We can't even see
this is a
that
cool
much of the
drive
inside.
just for the fact. It's smooth. It's a lot of space. You're supposed to put your suspension low, right?
Damn.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the suspension all the way low. Check this out.
But got an iPad screen in that shit.
Is there anything else I can do?
Yo,
Any
you can see
button I can hit on this
the
little
fingerprint in that motherfucker. Some good sunlight. Chat, yeah. Ain't no V6.
He blatantly lied to you.
Ain't no V6, nigga.
That is not a V6.
Ain't no V6,
V6
nigga.
plus 2.
Plus 2?
It's a V6 plus 2. You can get a plus 2. I said it earlier.
Nah.
Straight to my. I bet. Say no more.
I know he did not just.
Say no more.
Ew.
Spin, spin, spin. For all my cat boys, I'm sorry if I disappoint y'all.
2,
What?
1, go!
My car is so slow. He's about to dust me.
No, he's not.
Is he coming? Is he coming? Oh my God, he's coming. Photo finish. No way. No
Fuck.
way. No.
Now, what he got in that Hellcat?
No way. I don't.
When I stop spinning, I'm good. When I stop spinning, I'm good.
He got some
This is
good
my
tires
mom's
on
car,
that
man. Chill
shit.
out. Yeah.
I don't know
Hey, chill out, bro.
what trim he got of the Tesla,
Go!
He's up 3-2.
but
If he wins
I
this
know
round,
his
I
Hellcat
will
is
have no
modded
chance at
too.
advancing to the finals.
Ain't no regular
and I
Hellcat.
won't get to go against agents.
Oh, I got him. Come on, come on. Go!
Uh-oh.
God damn.
Yeah.
Damn it! Come on!
Damn, chat.
Oh my goodness! Come on!
And this car freaky as hell. What the? That bitch said.
You know what? I can admit, I lost.
Damn, he
I
lost.
put my best effort up, but
Davis, it just wasn't meant to be.
it happens to the best of us.
It's okay,
I know I-
Davis.
I lost. I lost. Yeah, I lost. The games though, it was GG's.
So
It was
who's
all
gonna
love. It was
face
GG's.
agent? Oh yeah, it's fine.
It was 2-2
Quan gonna face
with the
agent.
McLaren and the Taycan, and then
Okay.
it was 2-0. It was 2-0 with the Hellcat and X though. My X, that's an old X.
Hey, big bro.
Hey, bro.
I got you, big bro. If I lose, I'll sell the car, big bro.
What?
I think it's time to go home, brother.
No. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Agent,
Yeah.
chill.
Fuck the race. He said pink slips.
Pink
I
slip.
ain't P money yet, nigga.
You know, before I got the SF90,
Oh,
I
nah.
really thought about getting a 765 LT.
That's AMP money right there. That's
But
Fast
then I
and
thought,
Furious
like,
money right there.
what's faster? And I got the SF90. You think I can win in chill mode?
In chill mode? Hell no.
I feel like such a electric car. I don't even think I'm gonna use the launch though. I think I'm just gonna put it in this mode and then.
Do you know how to launch it?
Yeah, I've done it before, but it's not worth it because the car puts the power down anyway. So you don't need the launch mode.
I'm gonna just roll into it. So you got it. I got this. I got this.
Nah, you got this.
I got this.
You got this.
I got this.
Come on, you in the Hellcat. Oh no, you in the McLaren. Fuck that, you in the McLaren.
This is as unbelievable as it looks. The Black is so much faster than every other car. Specifically in the drag scenario. I mean, this is
No!
a strip scenario.
What the
this is
fuck?
I don't agree.
Yo, he smoked him, chat.
He's going. He's at home.
How he smoked him and he in the McLaren?
God damn, bro. What the?
What the fuck, chat?
That nigga
Nah.
already at home.
That Tesla
That's
said.
a gap. That's a gap. I feel like an asshole in this electric car.
Yo, agent was
I
just
feel like
having a
actual
stroll with that. He ain't even
Hey,
race.
just
He
so
was
you know,
just he
those
was having a
other
walk.
5 cars were not available. Bro.
How you gonna compete with that?
that
He just whooped your ass.
ain't right, bro.
That
That ain't right.
I'm very sorry.
Hey, let's do rolling. Let's do rolling.
Yo, so I also want you to know my foot was not all the way on the pedal.
He's trolling.
On God. It was like 80%.
1, 2, 3.
Just 15, just 15.
Yo, Quan's sweating right now. He's sweating.
Oh, this is good.
Quan's sweating right now. Oh yeah.
Bro.
Yo.
He did the up, bro. He did the up
Yo.
down sideways shit. Fuck. Hey, bro, where's he going?
Yo, look at Quan. Yo.
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy.
Yo.
Oh my God. Okay, and as you guys can see, Agent deserves to be the final boss for a reason, man.
Agent is the final boss.
20,000 likes. We'll run it.
That's
back
the video.
Track, man, so
No Ferrari.
And if this video gets 50,000 likes,
Oh man, chat.
Let me know. I'll pop out with a supercar. Take y'all shopping, man. Thank you guys so much for love and support, man.
And that was a fire race.
So hopefully y'all enjoy this one. I got one coming for y'all in a few days too. If you're new to the channel, subscribe.
Hit that subscribe button, chat. Aw, shit. Hey, chat. Y'all seen it here? Yo, W. Davis video, man. Yo, give a round of applause to my boy Davis, man. Yo, original link in the description, man. It's your boy XFGlive. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share, comment, subscribe if you new. And I'm out, man. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Chit!